Hi guys, welcome again to Androidiya. YouTube has been released new updates. Yes, every now and then YouTube release new updates for YouTubers and YouTube viewers. So find out what you want. I'm here to clarify some of these updates, and in case if you didn't notice, you're going to love this video.
Darling, I'm a nightmare dressed like a daydream.
So guys, these updates are so important and you should know about it. Well, what happened is YouTube has sent an email to all YouTubers. You may received one as I did. The YouTube's terms and services has been changed and they added new rules. So in this video, I will let you know what's the goal or what's the real meaning of that message and all the details. You're going to know that about it. So watch the video till the end. So let's get started. So guys, the first thing is every time if a new update of YouTube released, how could you know about it? How could you know those updates? You can know those updates from YouTubers like us. But how we as YouTubers know those updates from YouTube? Well, we as YouTubers can know those updates from YouTube's Twitter or YouTube official channel or the mail of YouTube. We check it out and we take those informations and news and updates to our viewers and subscribers. So the second thing or the second update is channel suspensions and deletions. You guys of course heard about those suspended channels and deleted channels, which YouTube did that itself, and for no reason. That happened and happens with big YouTubers, and YouTube doesn't specify the main reason that why this channel has been suspended or deleted. But with this new update, YouTube team will inform a YouTuber why your channel suspended or has been deleted. They will tell you the main reason of that. The third updates related to community strikes. Before this update, YouTubers which got strikes on their channels also didn't be told about the reason of that strikes. But now, with this update, everything has been changed. Now, YouTube will inform you why you got strikes and what's the reason. All the details that what you have done on that video and why you got community guideline strikes on your videos. Now YouTube will inform you why you got strikes and what's the reasons on your videos. The last and the fourth update is for the new YouTubers, for those people and channels who spread the news and talk about governments and news channels. So these news channels will now apply on them the laws of TV channels. For example, any TV channel has to fill out a form from the government that this channel is responsible and have to follow the rules of the government, and as same as TV channels do. So these YouTubers will receive a mail or a form and they have to fill up the mail and the form that they're responsible to follow the guidelines and they're responsible to follow rules. So guys, these were the latest updates of YouTube. So for more videos like that, just give me a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. Peace.